Many people wanted match day poster tutorials, but I bought a lot of reputable match day tutorials even though it was a little late. So, without any further ado, let's start it. Open PicsArt, choose the size from the pick canvas. Now take a lens circle from Add Photo and put it on the side of football. And erase the top part of football. Duplicate it and make it smaller and put it inside. Then again erase top part. Now reduce the opacity of big circle a bit. Now add logos of clubs. Place it according to the position. And choose skin from blending. If you need to write any text, I can simply write the names of two teams. Now, without much hassle, you can take UEFA logo from sticker option as you wish for beauty. If you need to do something, do it. I am giving a stroke so that the logo can be understood. Now add a visualized photo from Add Photo and put it on the side of Mbappe. Skim from blending. Then go to adjust option and try to keep it a bit blue. Erase extra part of side. Add another visualized photo and give it to Robert side. Similarly, try to keep it a little red with adjust option, and the rest is same as previous picture. Now use a blue color light in the subject on the left. Put it as you like. Choose multiply from blending option. Add another light, go to the adjust option and make it red and place it on the right side subject as before. Add blue color light again and put it between both subjects and choose Add from blending. Go to eraser and erase as needed. Now I'll go to the draw option, take a square shape from the shape box. Draw a line between the logos. I will go to edit image again and this time go to effects, choose the desired effects and done. I choose the effects called 1970 and it is fulfilled. If you like the video, please click the like button and let us know in the comments your opinion. If you have learned anything from the video, be sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, stay well, stay happy. Allah Hafiz.